Vacations are supposed to be relaxing, worry-free escapes from everyday life. You've packed your swimsuit, grabbed your sunglasses, and loaded your phone with enough podcasts to last a lifetime. But before you dash out the door, ask yourself, is your home and your digital life ready for you to be away? Don't worry, I'm here with easy-to-follow tips to help you ensure your vacation doesn't turn into staycation of stress. Home security. Keep burglars at bay. Lights and sound. Invest in timers for your lights, radio, or TV. A home that appears lived in is far less inviting to unwanted guests. Try varying the times your lights switch on and off to mimic your daily routine more accurately. Mail and newspapers. Nothing screams, "I'm not home," louder than an overflowing mailbox or a pile of newspapers. Ask a trusted neighbor or friend to collect these, or temporarily halt your deliveries. Additionally, arrange your lawn to be mowed or snow to be shoveled if you're gone for an extended period. Social media silence. Sharing your excitement online can wait until you're safely back home. Posting vacation selfies from the beach is basically an open invitation for burglars to visit your unattended home. Instead, save your photos and updates as drafts and post them once you've returned safely. Security systems. Consider investing in a modern security system with remote monitoring capabilities. These systems often let you check in on your home through your smartphone, giving you peace of mind. Digital security. Protect your virtual life. Wi-Fi warnings. Public Wi-Fi can be a hacker's playground. Always use a reputable VPN when connecting to public hotspots, especially when accessing your banking or personal accounts. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi whenever possible. Update before you go. Ensure your devices and apps are updated with the latest security patches. Outdated software can have vulnerabilities easily exploited by hackers, potentially spoiling your vacation fun. Strong passwords and 2FA. Before you leave, double-check that your passwords are strong and unique. Consider using a password manager to keep your credentials secure and organized. Enable two-factor authentication on important accounts, which adds a crucial layer of protection against unauthorized access. Device security. Activate Find My Device features on your phone and laptop. This simple step can save you a lot of trouble if your devices get lost or stolen during your trip. Personal security. Stay safe and sound. Emergency contacts. Keep a physical and digital list of emergency contacts, including local emergency services and your country's embassy or consulate. Knowing who to contact in a crisis can significantly reduce panic during an emergency. Travel smart. Store digital copies of important documents like passports, IDs, and travel insurance policies securely online and also carry printed copies. Apps like Google Drive or Dropbox can securely store your vital information, making it accessible anytime you need it. Credit card security. Notify your bank and credit card companies of your travel plans to avoid your card being flagged for unusual activity. Credit cards typically offer better fraud protection compared to debit cards, so it's safer to use credit while traveling. Stay informed. Familiarize yourself with local customs, laws, and safety recommendations on your travel destination. Research common scams and pitfalls in the area you're visiting and know how to avoid them. Bonus tips: smart extras, home sensors. Smart sensors for doors and windows can alert you instantly if someone tries to enter your home. Neighbors' eyes. Inform trusted neighbors about your absence and ask them to keep an eye out for anything suspicious. Luggage tags. Use covered luggage tags to avoid revealing your personal details to strangers. With these comprehensive yet easy to follow security measures, you can confidently step into that airplane, knowing you've done everything possible to safeguard your home, identity, and personal well-being. Stay safe, stay secure, and enjoy your well-deserved break and create unforgettable memories, all while staying secure. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.